Today, we are in Thousand Oak. We purchased a property that already have 2 homes on it, basically a duplex. These duplexes generate enough profit to cover property taxes, insurance, mortgage, utilities, you name it. On top of it, as you can see, the property comes with a huge backyard. In this backyard, we're gonna build additional 2 homes, each home 850 squares, which contain 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, large living room, dining room, and a kitchen. Each gonna be rented for at least $3,500 a month, $7,000 a month for both of them combined, over $80,000 a year additional income on top of the income that the existing 2 structures generate. Let me show you. Over here is the first house, over there is the second house, and the beauty of it, it's a street-to-street property, which means you're gonna have a separate entrance for the existing units and a separate entrance to the new units that we're gonna build. At the end of the day, we're using the BRRRR method again. You buy, you rehab, you rent, you refinance, and you repeat. Happy building and good luck.